In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up, also called a Lightbox, to your Wix website. This is a great way to grab attention, showcase special offers, or highlight important content for your visitors. To start, open your Wix editor and click on the Add button in the top left corner. From the menu, go to Interactive and then select Lightboxes. Here you'll see several templates like welcome messages, subscription forms, promotions, and contact forms. The best part is that these templates are fully customizable, so you can adjust them to match your website's style. Once you pick a template, it will open in the editor. A Lightbox has two parts: the content area, where all your text, images, and buttons go, and the overlay, which dims the background to make your pop-up stand out. You can customize the overlay color and transparency to make it feel integrated with your site. Now, let's add content. You can include images, videos, or buttons just like you would on any Wix page. For example, you might add a button that takes users directly to an order page or a special offer. Adjust the placement and style until the Lightbox looks cohesive with your website. Finally, it's time to set how your Lightbox appears. Click on the background of your Lightbox and select Set Triggers. You can choose to display it automatically on certain pages, like the home page, or only when a visitor clicks a button. If you go with the button option, simply place a button on your page, link it to the Lightbox, and you're done. Once everything is set, preview your site to make sure the pop-up works smoothly and looks great. Then publish your changes, and your Wix website now has an engaging Lightbox ready to interact with your visitors. And that's how you add a pop-up or Lightbox in Wix. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.